Hey guys, Sonia here. Welcome back to my Mortgage Myth series. This is going to be episode 2. So today we're talking about whether or not you need perfect credit to obtain a mortgage. And the answer is you don't. So each different type of loan has a different requirement. There are also other programs out there that have lower requirements as well. They may require more money down. So that is something to consider if you do have a lower score. Most of the things that we're looking at is not just your score, but also the credit history to see what's on there. So if you have recent bankruptcies or foreclosures, we may need to increase your score a little bit for approval, but there are waiting time periods after that as well, and we'll discuss that in another video. But those are items that do weigh into your credit score from your history. If you mostly have medical collections, but your score is on the lower end, maybe lower 600s, higher 500s, we can likely still get you approved. Most of those are ignored for credit qualifications. So we just have to make sure you're meeting minimum score guidelines at that point and that you don't have anything else on there like multiple negative items, which would be maybe late payments, derogatory student loans, things like that. Speaking of derogatory student loans, there's a new program called the Fresh Start Program, so I'll cover that in another video too. If you do have derogatory student loans, contact me. I'll give you a little bit of info on that from that site. It does help put them back in good status for you so that you can qualify for mortgages. But regarding credit scores, most loan programs will require 600 to 620. FHA for us is for 580, but I do have other loan programs available where I can do as low as 550 for your credit score. Again, that does require more money down, but you absolutely do not need perfect credit score or history. And if there's some items on there that maybe need to be taken care of, I can give you some advice. And I have a credit guy that I like working with that can give you some better advice as well and help you take care of some other items that are on there. So if the reason you're not applying for a mortgage or not trying to obtain a mortgage is your credit score or your credit history, you do not need to have an 800 credit score. I can tell you my 5 years of lending on the mortgage side, I think I've only seen 3 scores over 800. Most of the people that I end up working with are more in the 600 range. So definitely give me a call, drop me a line below, or send me a private message, either Facebook or Instagram, if you have any questions or if you'd like to get started or want to know some more credit tips and different ways that you can help improve it. But that's all for today. See you guys in the next one.